Alright guys, what's up? It's Deuce here. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 2. I haven't played this in a long time. It's real cool. Like, I only really play nowadays Don't Press the Button 1 and Don't Press the Button 4. Ooh! 4. Don't press the button. Please don't press. Ooh, a coin. No, give me this. I don't care if I die. I still got the coin, okay? Silence is blue. I can play from up here. Oh, I have hot sauce. I just realized I can do something real cool. If I spin hard enough, I might be able to get out. No, wait, stop, not right now, Let me press what is happening. Hey, this actually looks cool, I'm spinning. There I go. No, please, no, what's the next game? Why did I think that was gonna be a flop up, but it's raining cats and dogs. What was that? Huh? What's going on? What is that? Oh, nukes. Nope. Ooh, I want to press the button. Oh no, I don't. BPO. I like trucks. You guys know that meme? Wait, is that Super Mario? Wait, what arcade game is that? What arcade game is that fish from? I can't remember. Frog. No, wait, my frog. I want my frog. Oh, I got it. Speed. Hot sauce. Whoops. Okay. Why am I... Whoa. Hold up. What is... Oh, hot sauce. What in the world? You are the chosen one. Let's see. Oh, shoot. I can't get onto this. Okay. I'm not calling y'all my little bodyguards. No, wait a minute. Why? How did they die? What? Is somebody using admins? Literally just did instant kill? What the heck? You know, there's an easier way. I made it! That's a much easier way. I'm watching Pokemon Master Journeys if you're wondering. No, I'm the button presser. Get up to the other side of the street. Oh, I did not see those noobs. Was that a dinosaur? Realize how the cars just go into absolute nothingness? Oh yes, I'm gonna join you, my hot sauce friends. Yes. In reality, I hate all things spicy. So I don't know why I have equipped hot sauce. How do you die from this? Like, that's the real question. It's so easy. Oh, shoot. Yay, I want to go. No, wait, stop. I don't know. Stop. Please, no, I can't move. Please, no. Yes. No. Hot sauce. What the heck? I don't remember. Oh, shoot. I remember it, though. I hate this. Why? Now that I'm invisible, I can... Oh, shoot. No. No. Oh my gosh. I'm still invisible. What happened? What? Oh. Ah! Gotta keep on moving. Gotta keep on moving. Keep on. Dear, 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 dear. On the button presser. Look at this man. Look at this. Oh, gosh. Is there anything in the shop? I want to get that. I want to get the blow dryer so bad. I really want to get that. Could I really not get anything? What's happening? Oh. Yeet. Psych. No, wait a minute. Oh. Why I think that was milk? I really thought that was milk. Yo, imagine if they never found an idea so cameras in TV shows could have color. In video games didn't have color. That's what it would look like. Bro. Oh, look at a coin. Look at the Eat. I'm probably gonna do a few more of these and I'm gonna end the video because it's so early in the morning and I'm tired. It's only like probably 9 o'clock or something right now, but I don't care. I want to finish watching Pokemon Journeys. I mean Master Journeys. I love Pokemon. Oh yeah, I'm a winner. I'm still in the lead. Why did I think that?
I am speed.
You. I'm gonna have so much fun once I get that blow dryer. This boy is on fire. No, it's this guy. No. Why? They know nothing. I was gonna try and jump on the noob. Oh wait. Press the button. I get to press the button. Bye bye. Think again. You really thought I was just gonna fly off the map. Think again. You really.
What did you say?
Because you can't die from it. How come that bacon? I'm firing my laser. I'm firing my laser. Wait, please. Guinea. Do. I still don't know how to blow a bubble with gum. I really don't. I don't know why. Why is it flying? Why is it flying? Okay, that's it for this video. See you guys later.